I'm Amna and today I'm discussing about the Maverick AI and Descript AI. Maverick AI is an innovative tool designed for e-commerce brands to create and distribute the personalized videos to customers. Its functionalities and features includes personalized video creation, generates the videos tailored to each customer based on their purchase history, preferences and behavior using the natural languages generation and the computer vision. These can include customers' names, specific product details, and personalized messages. Types of videos. Maverick offers various video types like welcome videos, thank you videos, review request videos, upsell, cross-sell videos, and the re-engagement videos, which can be customized in content, style, tone, and call to action. E-commerce integration. Integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, syncing it customers' data and the product catalog for targeted video content. Enhanced customer engagement. By using the personalized videos, Maverick helps e-commerce businesses stand out, build the trust and loyalty with the customers, boost the conversions and sales, and reduce the refunds and complaints. Maverick AI is effective for e-commerce success because it leverages the power of personalized video content to enhance the customer experience, drive the engagement, and increase sales. The platform's ability to create tailored messages and offer for individual customers help e-commerce brands to connect with their audience on a more personal level, fostering the loyalty and repeat business. Descript AI. Descript AI is a versatile tool offering a range of functionalities for audio and video editing, making it valuable for e-commerce operations. Its features include video and audio editing, offers intuitive editing capabilities similar to document editing, which includes multi-track auto editing for podcasting. Transcription services. It provides the transcription with high accuracy and speed, featuring the robust correction tools. AI voices enables the creation of realistic voice clones or the use of stock AI voices, useful for voiceovers and content creation. Screen and remote recording allows for capturing the screen and webcam recordings and recording multi-track audio and video from remote locations. Collaborations and sharing support multi-user collaboration on projects and the ability to publish and share audio and video content easily. In the context of e-commerce, Descript AI can be used to create the high-quality product videos, podcasts, and marketing content. Its easy editing features and AI voice capabilities make it suitable for producing the engaging and professional-looking content that can enhance the product listings, tutorials, and promotional campaigns. The ability to collaborate and share content easily also makes it a valuable tool for teams working remotely or in different locations. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe our channel and do not forget to ask as many questions as you want.